Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will show you how to fix an application control policy has blocked to this file error along with error 0x80071C7 in Windows 11. Let's get started. First solution, open this PC on your desktop from the desktop. Click view and go to show and enable hidden items. Click the three dots at the top right corner and select option. Open the view tab and check show hidden files folder and drivers, then click apply and followed by OK. Now navigate to the local C drive on your computer, then click on user followed by your username, then click on AppData and select local. Look at the folder or the game or application causing the problem. For some games, this folder may also located inside Xbox games folder, your C drive. Now open the Windows search bar and type settings and open it. Go to privacy and security from the left, then click on Windows security. Now click on virus and threat protection. From there, click manage settings, then scroll down. Under exclusion, click add or remove exclusions. Click add an exclusion, then select folder. Now browse on your PC local disk C followed by user and username, AppData and local. Now select the folder your game on application. This will add to the Windows security protection exclusion folder. If you find the folder easily, type run into your Windows search bar together and press enter. In the run dialog box, type %local appdata % and click OK. This opens the local AppData folder directly. From there, look at the folder and right click it and choose copy as path if needed. After adding the folder to exclusion list, try opening the game or application again. If the problem persists, restart your computer and test it once more. Second solution, if the first method doesn't work, go to settings, then click on privacy and security, click on Windows security. From there, click app and browser control. Open smart control settings and turn smart app control off. Close the window. Now restart your PC and try launching the file again. It will solve the problem. And that's it guys. Thanks for watching.